Mastering vehicle routing. Blindly running vehicles on hope is a recipe for disaster. How can we accurately determine the current condition and maintenance status of our vehicles in order to optimize their operational efficiency and reduce downtime? To accurately determine the current condition and maintenance status of vehicles, a comprehensive approach is necessary. This can be achieved by implementing a robust vehicle maintenance management system that integrates various data sources and stakeholders. Here's a detailed solution to optimize vehicle operational efficiency and reduce downtime. 1. Implement a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. A CMMS is a software solution that helps track, manage, and analyze vehicle maintenance activities. It provides a centralized platform for recording and accessing vehicle maintenance history, scheduling maintenance tasks, and tracking vehicle conditions. 2. Conduct regular vehicle inspections. Regular vehicle inspections are crucial for identifying potential issues before they cause downtime. Develop a standardized inspection checklist that covers critical components, such as tires, brakes, engines, and transmissions. Inspection data should be recorded in the CMMS to track vehicle conditions over time. 3. Use telematics and IoT sensors. Install telematics devices and IoT sensors on vehicles to collect real-time data on vehicle performance, fuel consumption, and driver behavior. This data can help identify potential issues, optimize routes, and improve driver performance. 4. Develop a preventive maintenance program. A preventive maintenance program involves scheduling regular maintenance tasks, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake pad replacements, to prevent unexpected failures. Use the CMMS to schedule and track maintenance tasks, and allocate resources accordingly. 5. Establish a vehicle condition scoring system. Develop a scoring system to evaluate the condition of each vehicle based on inspection data, maintenance history, and telematics data. This scoring system helps identify vehicles that require immediate attention and prioritize maintenance activities. 6. Implement a driver vehicle inspection report (DVIR) process. Drivers should conduct daily inspections and report any issues to the maintenance team. This process helps identify potential issues before they cause downtime and ensures that drivers are accountable for vehicle condition. 7. Streamline maintenance scheduling. Implement a maintenance scheduling system that takes into account vehicle availability, driver schedules, and maintenance resource allocation. This ensures that maintenance tasks are completed efficiently and minimizes downtime. 8. Analyze maintenance data. Analyze maintenance data to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. This helps refine the preventive maintenance program, optimize resource allocation, and reduce downtime. 9. Develop a root cause analysis (RCA) process. Implement an RCA process to investigate the root cause of breakdowns and identify the underlying factors contributing to failures. This helps to address the root cause of issues, reducing the likelihood of repeat failures. 10. Provide training and support. Provide drivers and maintenance personnel with regular training and support to ensure they understand the importance of vehicle maintenance, can identify potential issues, and perform basic maintenance tasks. 11. Integrate with vehicle manufacturers and suppliers. Collaborate with vehicle manufacturers and suppliers to access technical documentation, maintenance guides, and warranty information. This ensures that maintenance activities are performed in accordance with manufacturer recommendations. 12. Continuously monitor and evaluate. Continuously monitor vehicle performance, maintenance activities, and downtime to evaluate the effectiveness of the maintenance program. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, such as mean time between failures, MTBF, and mean time to repair, MTTR, to measure performance and identify areas for improvement. By implementing these measures, organizations can accurately determine the current condition and maintenance status of their vehicles, optimize operational efficiency, and reduce downtime.